Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Edge 3.5 engine. This one will be the first generation 2007 to 2013. It should work even for the one with the facelift after 2011. So if you guys want to find the torque specs for the spark plugs, we'll be doing that now. All the tools and parts that we use, including the torque wrench, okay, will be listed in the description of the video below. So please guys, check it out. That's for your convenience. We'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe. Okay, we're trying everything possible guys to save you as much money as we can here at the shop, so we really appreciate if you subscribe and give a like to the video. Now this is the torque wrench here, and according to the manual, what we found, our service manual, it says that we need to set the torque wrench, okay, to 11 foot-pounds, or in Newton meters, if you're using the metric system, should be somewhere around 14.7. Okay, and ours, as you can see, 14.1 plus another 7, so we have ours set at 14.8 Newton meters. So a little bit close to 15 Newton meters or 11 foot per pound. So you need to install your spark plug. Okay, and always start those by hand. You have to be extremely careful when you drop them. Have a socket that holds the spark plug, otherwise you're going to mess up the gap on the spark plug. This is the wrench there. Okay, now listen, it's a click type wrench, so when we reach the torque we have it set at, it's going to click, and do not go more. So we are almost there now. Okay, we still can go a little bit by hand. Okay, now listen. This is it right there. It's very important not to go more, because if you do, you will over torque it. So this is it guys, 11 foot-pounds or almost 15 Newton meters. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.